Hello, this presentation is about writing topic sentences or thesis statements that involve the use of a semicolon, or you could even call them side-by-side sentences. Now, the trick is that we are using a pair of sentences or a long singular statement to introduce our topic. Now, as the first bullet point notes, a semicolon in a topic sentence is when you want to emphasize the relationship between two independent clauses. And the thing is, they're so closely related that you're not sure if you should have a comma between them or a period to end one thought because it's an independent clause. Well, the semicolon is the compromise. You can do both. And remember, when we talk about a semicolon, we are talking about a comma and a period like that. All right. And as with other topic sentence or thesis statement strategies, that first independent clause is going to be your occasion for writing. Why are you writing, or what is your topic? And then the second independent clause is the position or what you plan to explain. Now, when you do side-by-side sentences, you don't really need a semicolon. You could just have two sentences closely related and you make that decision. You use a period, okay? So when you are using those two simple sentences, one for the occasion, one for the position, if you just use it side by side, you're kind of emphasizing that second independent clause as you're stressing it, you're emphasizing it. You're saying that's really the focus of what you're writing about. The first part is just setting, well, pardon my pun, creating a setting for your topic. You'll use these two methods for creating a compound sentence when it fits your style and purpose of your essay. So let's scroll down and look at some examples. So for example, here's one simple sentence. Buying a new car is exciting, semicolon. It's also stressful. That's absolutely true. And here, the reason why you would want to use that semicolon is because these are two very closely related topics. It's really all about the stress of buying a new car. That's what you'd be mostly writing about. This, buying a new car is exciting, that's just kind of acknowledging that, oh yeah, that's exciting. But that's not what the paragraph is or essay is going to be about. Let's find some, here's a side-by-side sentence. Going to college is a must. So that's the first independent clause. A college degree is the fastest road to high-paying jobs, which, according to the data, is true. So here, this is our setting. This is our occasion for writing. This is going to be all about why you need to go to college. And this is the position we're going to prove. A college degree is the fastest road to high-paying jobs. So when I go to our Word document, yes, we put our name here. All right. And then yes, that's the old-fashioned way of spelling my name. Okay. And in the first box, we would use the strategy together. So let's say we're talking about vacation. Okay. Taking a vacation trip. Okay. Planning a vacation can be relaxing. Well, I say that. What I want to say is, my occasion for writing is that what I want to prove is planning a vacation in the middle of winter gives you something to look forward to in the summer. So planning a vacation is an ideal winter activity, semicolon. The trip becomes the focus of your near future. Okay, so I want to write about how you focus your attention on your vacation. Okay, that becomes the focus of your near future. Okay, it gives you something to look forward to. All right, so that's one way. Well, how about a side by side? I could do the same thing. How about I always plan my summer vacations in February, period. It gives me something to look forward to. Now, I hate dangling prepositions. It gives me something about to picture as winter gets darker. How's that? Okay, it gives me something to... Okay, I like it. And I can write all about how I'm picturing vacation. So that's how you write side-by-side or semicolon sentences. It's really just using the first independent clause to state your occasion for writing, and then the second independent clause or the second sentence is really what are you actually going to be writing about? What are you emphasizing? What's your position? Okay? I think that works. Take care.